Hello everyone, this is video number 24 and today we will be doing our course book. The title of the lesson is Dinner by Moonlight. So before starting this lesson, I will begin this lesson with a warming up question. So students, have you ever been on an adventure that involved something mysterious? Now, what is the meaning of mysterious? The meaning of mysterious is strange. So, have you done something or have you been on an adventure that involved something mysterious? The meaning of mysterious is strange, difficult, or impossible to understand and explain. So, if you have been on an adventure that involves something mysterious, you can share your experiences. You can write a para on that. Okay, if we would have been in class, then I would have discussed, you would have shared your experiences with me. But right now we cannot do that. So if you want to share your experience, you can write a para on it. So next, let's start this lesson. Three friends, Rusty, Pitamber and Poppet, are trekking on their way to Witch Mountain, a peak in the Kumaun Hills close to Chakrata. They are spending the night at the forest rest house being attended by the caretaker, a one-eyed man who introduced himself as Kali Topi or Black Hat. So student, this lesson, that is Dinner by Moonlight, this is an edited extract from Rusty and the Magic Mountain, and it is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 19th May 1934. He has written many short stories, essays and novels, and he was awarded the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. So this is an extract written by Rusty. This is written by Ruskin Bond. Now in this lesson, what we have read in the first para, that there were three friends. What was the name of three friends? Rusty, Pitamber and Poppet. And what they were doing? They were on trekking on their way to Witch Mountain. And Witch Mountain, this is a peak in Kumaun Hills close to Chakrata. Now what is the meaning of trekking? The meaning of trekking is go on a long journey, typically on foot. Means when you go on a long journey on your foot, that when you go on a long journey walking, that is known as trekking. Okay, in Hindi you can say padal yatra karna. That is the meaning of trekking. So these three friends, Rusty, Pitamber and Poppet, are trekking on their way to Witch Mountain. Now what these three friends are doing, they are spending the night at the forest rest house and they were being attended by a caretaker. What was the name of the caretaker? The caretaker introduced himself as Kali Topi, and this caretaker was called himself Kali Topi or Black Hat because he was wearing a black hat and he was a one-eyed man. Black Hat lit a wonderful bonfire that night. Fallen oak leaves, pine cones and branches that had fallen during the heavy winter snow all combined to make a crackling fire. The flames leapt up, casting an orange glow on the faces of the boys. Black Hat's demonic countenance was given an even more devilish tinge by the flickering firelight. Eager to see the fire going, he almost set fire to his beard. Okay, so what happened? This Black Hat The name of the caretaker was Black Hat because he introduced himself as Black Hat. What he had done, he had lit a fire that night, bonfire. It was a wonderful bonfire. You can see in picture also. Let me show you the picture. See, he is the caretaker, and what is his name? His name is Kali Topi because he introduced himself as Kali Topi, and you can see that he is wearing a black hat. He is a one-eyed man. You can see the mark on his face. Okay, so later on we will come to know how he got this mark on his face. Now you see three friends. They are sitting, and this caretaker is attending all these three friends. The caretaker is taking care of them. Here caretaker lit a bonfire, and all these three friends, where are they? They are in a forest, and they are spending the night at the forest rest house. Okay, so you can see, okay, they are all in the forest and a bonfire is there. Okay, so now let's come back to our lesson. So what this caretaker did, that is Black Hat, his name was Black Hat. What he did, he collected some fallen oak leaves, pine cones and branches that had fallen during the heavy winter snow, and after that he combined them and he lit a bonfire. So the flame was very high, the fire was very burning brightly, and because of the fire, what happened? The fire was casting an orange glow on the faces of the boys. And this Black Hat, how he was looking that time? He was looking like what it is written, Black Hat's demonic countenance. Means the face of the Black Hat was looking like evil. He was looking like a evil. Evil or demon, you can say. Yes. So he was looking like that. He was looking like an evil. And was given an even more devilish tinge. That fire was giving him a very cruel expression or cruel look, you can say, by the flickering firelight. Because of the firelight, his face was looking like an evil. What is the meaning of flickering? Flickering means light that keeps changing from bright to dim or dim to bright. Okay, so next, why don't you remove your hat? Asked Rusty. The hat won't like it, said its wearer. It feels safe upon my head, and I feel safe beneath it. Rain or snow, outdoors or in bed, this hat remains upon my head. So Rusty asked this caretaker that why are you not removing your hat? Please remove your hat. The caretaker replied that no, if I remove my hat won't like it, and my hat feels safe upon my head, and I feel safe beneath it. And whether it is raining or snowing, or whenever I'm outdoors or in my head or in my bed, this hat remains upon my head. I never take off my hat. So this was the reply given by the caretaker. Now in the next part, we will see that what was the reason why he was not ready to remove his hat. What was so special about his hat?